Hi friends, in this video I am here going to present a review paper, a study on latest tools for data mining and machine learning. Let's begin. Firstly, we'll see presentation outline, which includes abstract, introduction, literature review, conclusion, followed by references. So, we'll start with abstract of paper. As we know, in computer science, data mining is an area which is used everywhere for extracting the data and in turn acquires knowledge for decision making. Data mining analyzes patterns which are used to extract information and knowledge for making decisions. Many open source and licensed tools like Weka, RapidMiner, Knime and Orange are available for data mining and predictive analysis. In this paper, we'll discuss about different tools which are available for data mining and machine learning, followed by the description, pros and cons of these tools. It provides details of all the algorithms like classification, regression, characterization, discretization, clustering, visualization and feature selection for data mining and machine learning tools. It will help people for efficient decision making and suggests which tool is suitable according to their requirement. Let's begin with the introduction part. It covers brief terms like data mining, machine learning and description of tools, difference between open source tools and licensed tools. Before starting discussion on data mining, I will firstly give you an idea of what data is. Data is just raw information without any knowledge. How we can make the raw information knowledgeable? For example, title of this video is a study on latest tools for data mining and machine learning. This is just information. When this information is used by a particular person who is related to this particular area, then this information becomes knowledge. This whole concept is to be known as data mining. So, data mining is a technique used for extracting information from the data and acquires knowledge for decision making. It sorts the data through large data sets by identifying patterns and establish relationships. Let's discuss how data is processed in data mining. In this slide, we'll see data mining process. Firstly, data is gathered, that is cleaned and integrated data is sent to cleaned data container. After that, selection and transformation is done, and this selected and transformed data is sent to prepared data container. This whole process is a part of data preparation. Next stage is where data is mined. This is the next stage. Here patterns are formed from a large data set. After establishing patterns, evaluation is done, and on the basis of this evaluation, knowledge is acquired for decision making. So this is the whole process of data mining. Now next is machine learning. Don't confuse yourself data mining with machine learning. Machine learning is used for making predictions from the data set. There are two methods for making predictions, that is supervised and unsupervised learning methods. Machine learning deals with the concepts of regression, classification, clustering, visualization, data pre-processing, filtering, modeling, optimization and feature selection. Now let's see machine learning process. In this process we have 5 steps, which first step is data gathering. In this, raw and training data is collected. Second step is data cleaning, where data is cleaned. Third is selecting right algorithm. On the basis of cleaned data, right specified algorithm is applied. On the basis of this, model is built and send the data to final stage for visualization. After that, data transformation is converted into predictions. In this stage, data is transformed for making predictions. This whole is the machine learning process. Now let's see data mining and machine learning tools divided into two parts. One is the open source tools and other is the licensed tools. Various open source tools are here: Veka, Knime, KEEL, RapidMiner, scikit-learn, Orange. There are many more also. And here in this licensed tools, SAS, IBM SPSS Modeler, GMDH Shell, Dundas by Yellowfin, and so on. Let's see description of the tools one by one. First tool is D2K. It stands for data to knowledge. In this, it tools gives toolbox as a visual programming condition. A lot of layouts expected to associate it with other standard bundles. It gives bundles to perform picture and content mining. It offers an outside arrangement of transformative strategies for building up some essential hereditary calculations. Next tool is Knime. Stands for Constance Information Miner. It is easy to use, secluded, and provides an open source information coordination. It's used for preparing, examining and investigation. This Knime contains devices for information pre-handling, for changing, grouping, and it leads to changing, grouping, and affiliation. This tool benefits and can be coordinated and broadened for conceivable outcomes with Knime by different administrators. Next tool is a Veka. It stands for Vekato Environment for Knowledge Analysis. Is a machine learning tool, consists of all machine learning algorithms which are used to solve the real life application problems. Next tool is a RapidMiner. RapidMiner, some time ago called Yale, is a free adaptable open source tool executed in Java. Is a tool for machine learning, data mining, image processing, and business analytics. Next tool is Orange. This tool uses Python language which helps in visualization of data. It helps in predictive modeling, analysis, selecting of subset, and empirical analysis. This tool performs tasks like data manipulation, data transformations. Next tool is a KEEL. It stands for Knowledge Extraction Based on Evolutionary Learning. It's also an open source software. This tool uses a Java language which is used for tasks like data discovery and knowledge extraction. Further, dataset repository is available for performing classification and regression techniques. Next tool is a scikit-learn. Is supported by Python language and grouped by NumPy and SciencePy. Is used for plotting outlines and performing data mining calculations. Now in this slide we'll see difference between open source tools and licensed tools. Firstly, we'll see open source tools. In this, it refers to the software that is developed and tested through open collaboration. Whereas on the other side, licensed tools, it refers to the software that is solely owned by the individual or organization that developed it. In the open source, anyone with academic knowledge can access, inspect, modify, and redistribute the source code, whereas on the other side, licensed, only the owner or publisher who holds the legal property rights of the source code can access it. Here in open source, project is managed by open source community of developers and programmers, whereas on licensed, project is managed by closed group of individuals or team that developed it. Here, open source tools are not aimed at unskilled users outside of the programming community, whereas unlicensed, they are focused on limited market of both skilled and unskilled end users. It provides better flexibility, which means more freedom, which encourages innovation for open source. whereas in licensed, which is very limited scope of innovations with restrictions and all. Various open source tools like Weka, Knime, KEEL, RapidMiner, scikit-learn, here licensed, SAS, IBM SPSS Modeler, GMDH Shell, Dundas by Yellowfin. These all are licensed tools. Now let's begin with the literature review. In this we will cover description of various open source tools and licensed tools. Firstly, we'll discuss various open source tools. In this, first tool is Weka, came in the year 1997. This tool uses Java language. Its latest version is 3.6.11. Method of this tool is it is used for analytics of data and predictive modeling. This tool is mostly used for educational purposes. Advantage is that it is freely extensible, and its disadvantage is that it is weak in statistical analysis. Next tool is a Knime. This tool came in the year 2004. Latest version is 2.9. Language tool by this tool is Java. It enables users to visually create data and data flows easily. Interactive data models. This tool is mostly used for pharmaceutical research. This tool is easy for visualization of molecular data. Disadvantage is that no method for data wrapper and no automatic facility for parameter optimization. Next tool is the KEEL. This tool came in the year 2004, latest version 2.0. Language used by this tool is also Java. Evolutionary algorithms for data mining big problems. This is its main purpose. It is used in scientific research. It contains big data, preened libraries for analysis, processing, and predictions. This tool is less efficient due to large numbers of algorithms. Next tool in open source tool is RapidMiner. Came in the year 2006. Its latest version is 6.0. Language is Java. Its purpose is for text mining, which results in visualization, model validation, and optimization. Application area where this tool is used for business, training, education. Advantage is that it is compatible for large users. Disadvantage is that it is only capable for SQL statements and it only works with database files. Next tool is scikit-learn. It came in the year 2007. Latest version is 0.14.1. Language used by this tool is Python, and it is an add-on on machine learning package. It's mostly used in the area of machine learning. Its disadvantage is that it includes some libraries that are suitable for audio or video files. Its disadvantage is time consuming and less durable. Next tool is Orange. It came in the year 2009, latest version 2.7. Language used by this tool is C++ and Python. Data pre-processing, filtering, and modeling techniques its main purpose. It's used for visualization of the data. Debugging is better. Categorization problems like scripting, data mining are simple. Its advantage, but disadvantage is that it is weak in statistical analysis and it is limited capabilities for visual representations of the data mode. Now here we'll discuss about licensed tools for data mining and machine learning. First tool is SAS. Language used by this tool is HTML. Its purpose is for extracting, formatting, and cleansing to data analysis, building sophisticated models. It's used in clinical research and forecasting areas. Here it came in the year 1976. Latest version is 9.4. Advantage is that drag and drop interface is great, very accurate, with good graphic design and speed of processing. Although software is perfect but requires some work to create a model with incoming read time data. This is its disadvantage. Next tool is IBM SPSS Modeler. This tool uses Python and Java language, interactive and statistical analysis. Its purpose Application area where this tool is used: forecasting, healthcare, risk management. It came in the year 2010. Latest version is 25. It's not necessary to use complex it is not necessary to use complex knowledge to encode data when we use the qualitative data. Advantage, this is its advantage, but disadvantage is that to have better quality graphics, or mainly we want to make presentation, it's not suitable. Next tool is GMDH shell. This tool uses C++ and C language. It's used for knowledge discovery, prediction, complex system modeling, optimization. Application area where this tool is used: for forecasting and business purposes. Came in the year 2009. Its latest version is 3.8.3. It takes raw or messy data set in the CSV and provides a predictive mode more quickly at reasonable costs. But disadvantage is that its value very close to absolute max, the model does not converge to max but to local max. Next tool is Dundas by. This tool uses C, C#, Java, C++ language. Its purpose is creating and viewing interactive dashboards, reports, and scorecards. Small businesses, mid-sized business enterprises, the area where this tool is mostly used. It came in the year 1992. Its latest version is 6.0.0 with revision 3. Any device. It allows users to integrate and connect with data sources in real time. Disadvantage is that it do not have any interactive user community. Tool doesn't support the 3D charts. Next is the last tool for this is Yellowfin. This tool uses Java language. Main purpose is for creating scorecards and dashboards. It's also used for online analytical processing, analysis, predictive analysis. Application area where mostly this tool is used: for accounting, advertising, agriculture, banking, insurance, manufacturing, media, marketing. It came in the year 2003. Its latest version is 7.4.7. This tool is very fast and very simple to create reports and panels. Integration capacity with big data is excellent. Disadvantage is that there are issues related to pulling data and displaying data set from a system. Now we'll conclude this presentation. This data mining is one of the most popular techniques used for information retrieval and for better decision making. In this we have seen description of the tools provided along with their respective pros and cons and the application areas where they can be more beneficial. This information will suggest researchers that which tool is more appropriate as per their requirement and application area for efficient decision making. This is all about a study on latest tools for decision making for data mining and machine learning. Now this is all my references from which I have picked my data. So thank you. Have a nice day.